Indian Institute of Packaging is an autonomous institute and allied industry of packaging under the Ministry of Commerce, whose aim is to improve the packaging standard of our country and make use of art, science, technology and engineering in the field of packaging. The main focus of Institute is to promote the export market by way of innovative package design and also upgrade the packaging standard at national level. We are spread in different cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Chennai, Ahmedabad and Kolkata to serve and work best for our country.
My name is Madhav Chakravarti. I am the Joint Director and Regional Head of Indian Institute of Packaging Delhi Center. We have headquarters in Mumbai and we have regional centers at Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad. It is under Ministry of Commerce, Government and Industry, Government of India. We are involved in the various steps of design of packaging materials for the domestic as well as exports. One of the unique design has been made for the products handicraft which is produced for the Rajasthan. It's a LAC product. This is one of the items which needs very display packaging. Traditional products who are manufacturing, they need the information and design so that they can sell in a better way. IIP has involved in this type of design and been patented, and which is helping them to export better way and keeping in the shelf and easy to carry, easy to store. Customer will like it. So now the standard of living has gone up. So people are looking for this type of product in a better packaging. IIP has designed today. We will be displaying this type of packaging, how it has been helping the industries to all small scale industry to develop their packaging and selling the product in a bigger way.
LAC jewelry has its origin from Rajasthan. This jewelry is made with LAC or lacquer, has traditional designs and patterns. It is carved with aesthetic designs and painted with vibrant colors, so you cannot pass through these jewelry items without noticing them. Though the substance LAC is solid, but it can easily break due to manhandling. So the package of such jewelry product needs to be cared from the risk of breaking the handicrafts made out of LAC. Hence, Indian Institute of Packaging has come forward with varied designer packaging forms for all your LAC jewelry items. Packaging of LAC includes the following aspects. Concept generation. At this stage, the dimensions are taken precisely for the respective items to develop a soft model with the help for software. Sketches and doodling. At this step, the ideas given in the shape to form of a doodle or rough sketches until a desired design is obtained. 3D modeling. With the right cardboard or paperboard, package is created soft enough to be folded and shaped and strong enough to be able to take the weight of the product kept inside. Graphics or windows on the packages. Sometimes graphics on the box have to be made such that complement the product inside the package, and small windows are created on the lid of the box so as the product inside the box can be seen without dispositioning the jewelry item. Drawing and design. Once the graphics are finalized, the package design of paper boards is folded and cut accordingly. The Indian Institute of Packaging first aim is to ensure our customers that the products will reach to you safely and in a perfect shape. Therefore, packages made for LAC jewelry are made with great care and accuracy. Each packaging material designed by the Indian Institute of Packaging is done with adequate research and knowledge of the product also. We ensure that neither human life nor environment is harmed in any way through our products and packages.
My name is Rahul Tripade, Assistant Director, Indian Institute of Packaging, Delhi. Recently, we designed the packaging for handicraft and handloom product under the Ministry of Manufacturing Affairs, Government of India. So we take these products. This LAC jewelry is very famous in Rajasthan. So in that one, there is no packaging for particular type of handicraft product. So we designed some indigenous packaging for this particular large jewelry. So this is a unique packaging. The structure is very unique, so that user, which is a woman, female category, so easily they can attract it, so they can feel is a very premium product. So actually you can see this very uniquely. You can open, you can close, the form, the shape is something is unique. Also we put the premium category of foiling thing, so it will feel is a very rich product, very unique product. Also we put the information of which part of the Rajasthan is particular type of product is manufactured. So this is all the information we provided on the packaging. So this is very unique packaging, very premium category. So we put the texture of the leather thing, so it will feel that is a very uniqueness about this particular type of packaging.
We'll be right back.